Descriptive statistics are used to summarize and describe a set of data for a variable. One of the most common descriptive statistics is the mean. This is a value that's numerically closest to all scores in the data set. You calculate it by adding up all the scores and dividing by the total number of responses. Values that are high or low compared to the majority of values have a greater influence on this mean, but it is the most commonly reported measure of central tendency. The median is a measure of central tendency not biased by extreme scores in a data set. This means that if you have extremely high or low values called outliers, they don't have as much of an impact on the median as they would on the mean. In order to find the median, you want to sort your data in order from smallest to largest value, and then the middle value, or that at the 50th percentile, will be the median value for your set of data. The mode is the least used measure of central tendency, but how to get it is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. Measures of dispersion, some of the most popular are the range, which is the minimum and maximum values in a set of data, quartiles, which are values that fall at the first, fourth, and third three-quarter marks of an ordered data set, similar to how the median falls at the 1/2 mark of a set of data that's ordered. The interquartile range is the third quartile, which is the 3/4 point, minus the first quartile, which is the 1/4 point, and it contains the middle 50% of the values in the data set. And the most commonly used measure of dispersion is the standard deviation, which represents the average standard deviation of a value from the mean. In SPSS, there's two procedures to get descriptive statistics. The first is the frequency procedure, which produces frequency tables showing counts and percentages of the values of individual variables. But it can also show values for quartiles, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, range, minimum and maximum, as well as others we're not going to use. On this procedure, you can also create simple charts, but we're not going to worry about those until a couple weeks from now. Then we have the other procedure is the descriptives procedure. It shows the maximum, minimum, mean, and standard deviation of the variables you select.